So we got an announcement from Nvidia about a day ago, and if you thought the Titan V was a beast, well, there's a new king in town. So Nvidia announced the release of the Titan RTX, their new flagship touring card, and from what the spec list says, this thing is a beast. Packing 4,608 CUDA cores at 1770 MHz, this card will have over 16 teraflops of performance. The new Titan also features 576 Tensor cores and 72 RT cores, which is only up 5% from the RTX 2080 Ti. On top of this card also features 24GB of GDDR6 at 14GB per second, with a maximum memory bandwidth of 672GB per second. So from the looks of this thing is a beast. But unfortunately, it comes with a price tag of $2,500. And honestly, when comparing it to the 2080 Ti, this card doesn't seem to be that great of a value. Now, we get that Nvidia's Titan line is supposed to be about performance, and they're usually really expensive. And based on what we've seen so far, this massive price hike is honestly kind of ridiculous. When comparing on-paper performance, the Titan RTX offers only about 20% more performance than the RTX 2080 Ti, while simultaneously costing over 150% more. When the Titan V launched with the price tag of $3,000, it made sense because it wasn't meant for gaming, and was in fact meant to be used in workstations and scientific research. But the Titan RTX is a card that's meant to run a feature that only a handful of games support, and even so, the way that DXRT features are implemented is incredibly unoptimized. Now yeah, performance will be improved as time goes on and as more drivers are pushed out, but even so, $2,500 for a graphics card meant for enthusiasts is way too much. And to put this into perspective, when the Titan XP launched back in March of 2017, the MSRP was set at $1,200, which admittedly is still really expensive, but it was only 70% higher than the GTX 1080 Ti. Pricing aside, the Titan RTX is an exciting piece of technology that will pack some of Nvidia's latest and greatest tech into a consumer GPU. And while it's admittedly very expensive, we cannot wait to see what Nvidia's highest-end product will offer in terms of performance. Only time will tell. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified about all our future uploads. And also tell us, are you more interested in the Titan RTX or the rumored RTX 2060? Personally, I'm actually more interested to see what budgeting touring cards will offer, and I'm kind of excited just to see what comes from Nvidia's labs. And honestly, I think that budget cards are honestly kind of more entertaining because you're trying to squeeze as much performance from these cards when they don't really cost as much, but honestly, I'm kind of interested to just see what comes of the RTX 2060. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.